Hey, Gen Z, you are being scammed by your own generation. You probably don't even know it. If you are taking financial advice from some 22-year-old influencer peddling you penny stocks, then you are likely the target of a scam. These douchebags use psychology. They use your insecurities to separate you from your own money. They know that Gen Z's got it tough. They know that you're feeling the pain. They know that you can't make rent, that you can't make your student loan payments, that you're worried that AI is going to take away your job. And they play upon that. They sell you the cure to everything, and that cure is found in the form of a penny stock. In 2022, a group of X and Discord influencers known as the Atlas Group scammed their followers out of $114 million in a penny stock pump and dump scheme. How did they do it? Well, they used your mind to convince you that buying the penny stocks that they recommended would turn you into a millionaire overnight.
Smells like bullshit.
They convinced you that their recommendations would put you in a Lambo with custom drip all over the place. And you know what ended up happening? You lost everything. While these guys were pitching their toxic crap to you, take a look at what they were saying on Discord to themselves. That's right, they're saying that we're robbing these effing idiots of their money. My name is Rob. I'm a real estate entrepreneur, a former mergers and acquisitions attorney at a Manhattan firm, former faculty member at a top 10 business school, and most importantly, I've been trading these markets for 25 years and making money. And I'm here to get you rich smart, not get you rich quick like these bozos. In a few minutes, I am going to hand you the playbook, the free database that the pros use to track corporate CEOs and where they're dumping their millions. That way, you can ride the insiders' coattails legally and make some money doing it. So let's get to work.
The best penny stocks to buy right now are on this channel.
Smells like bullshit.
Why do penny stocks work so well on us? The answer is pure calculated psychology. Promoters know that when you buy a fractional share of Apple or Nvidia because you got a small account, that you just don't feel like a player. But when you buy 30,000 shares of that penny stock, you now feel like a whale. You feel like the Wolf of Wall Street. You're thinking, hey, if that penny stock just goes to $1, I'm buying that Lambo and I'm getting the custom drip. And that's what they take advantage of. It's called the illusion of leverage. And scammers and promoters in the penny stock world know that you're hurting. They know that you're having a hard time paying rent. They know that the cost of living has gone up, and they're selling you a dream. They're selling you a lottery ticket.
This was like 1999 again with the promoters and the message boards, and they couldn't make it.
I'm getting a lot of calls from investors who are getting scammed by penny stock operators.
Authorities have busted massive penny stock
Let's break
scams.
down the actual math. Remember, markets don't care how many shares you have. They care about the percentage return. So let's say you got $300 to invest. Woo! You put it into Nvidia. Nvidia goes up by 10%. You make $30. Take that same $300, put it into one of these crappy penny stocks. It goes up by 10%. You got $30 still. So what's the difference? It's risk. Nvidia is a company that has earnings, cash flow, and quarterly reports. It's subject to audits and a lot of other inspections. That penny stock piece of crap has no reporting requirements, has no revenue, and is probably just a shell company registered as some dude in Pennsylvania with a P.O. box. It's worthless. So if you think that you're buying the next Tesla when you're buying a penny stock, you're not. I was an M&A attorney and I saw this crap all the time back in the day on Wall Street. And I'm here to tell you that it's going to zero and you're going along with it.
6 cents a share buys this crap.
Well, I mean, honestly, mostly schmucks.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that this old guy doesn't know what the hell he's talking about.
Huh?
That if that penny stock goes up by just a couple of cents, you're going to be making hundreds of dollars and covering your rent payment. You're thinking that influencer is your friend. You're thinking that influencer is legit, that Lambo that he has isn't just rented. You know why you're thinking that? Because those influencers, those promoters are selling you that illusion of leverage. They're selling you the illusion that you can get rich quick.
For example, if you buy a penny stock and then you decide you want to sell it, it could be more difficult for you to find a buyer for the stock.
There may be no buyers at a particular time, or if there are, there could be a big spread, as we call it. Someone would buy the stock at $1 and they would sell it to you at $3. So there's this big spread which doesn't exist on the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ.
But what they don't tell you about is the bid-ask spread. On a real stock, not one of these penny pieces of garbage, the difference between what somebody is willing to pay and what somebody is willing to sell the stock for is called the spread. And usually it's pretty narrow, pretty tight. Not that way on a penny stock. On a penny stock, the spread is much wider. So for example, somebody's willing to pay 5 cents for the stock and someone else is asking 10 cents for the stock. The minute you click buy and you concede and say, hey, I'll give it at 10 cents because this promoter is telling me that that stock's going to be worth 20 cents tomorrow, your value just lost 50% because you were the last sucker willing to pay 10 cents for that stock. And guess who probably sold you that stock? The promoter. So that promoter just took a worthless piece of garbage, marked it up by 100%, sold it to you, the sucker. And that takes us to our next point, the slaughterhouse.
Claims could be made that are not readily verifiable or easily investigated or tracked.
Combine that with
So crap and a bunch of scammers make for a really bad mix.
About a stock.
It's not very clear who is on the other side of the sell speech here. Usually there's a sell speech, someone is very
The sell speech. That's your influencer. That's your buy now before it goes up. That's your fear of missing out.
And we represent investors who are abused and harmed by Wall Street firms. I learned this business of penny stocks from being the attorney for Jordan Belfort and the company Stratton Oakmont.
I was a scammer. I was the first to admit.
He firmly admits that he was scamming on penny stocks and how it's done.
AKA the Wolf of Wall Street.
If you sit down at the poker table and within the first 15 seconds can't figure out who the sucker is, you're the sucker. And in the world of penny stocks, listening to these influencers with what to buy and what to sell is like walking into a slaughterhouse completely blindfolded. You're going to get extinguished. You think I'm exaggerating? I want you to go take a look at the Atlas Group.
7 social media influencers and 1 podcaster who the agencies say held themselves out as multi-million-dollar financial gurus. The agencies claim that these popular stock pickers used Twitter and Discord to promote stocks to hundreds of thousands of followers and then would secretly dump those assets when share prices or volumes rose.
In late 2022, the SEC and the Department of Justice dropped the hammer on these bastards. This was a group of guys who were popular influencers on Discord and on X, had about 500,000 followers, and decided to get together and buy specific stocks privately. Then they would promote those stocks on their different platforms. They would talk about how wonderful they are. There'd be rocket emojis. There'd be talks about it going to the moon. There'd be fear of missing out. Buy this stock now or you're going to miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Don't be a fool. And people bought it, literally, to the tune of $114 million. These weren't a bunch of rich people who got scammed. This was you. This was people who believed that these stocks were their ticket to getting out of debt, to buying their first house, to be able to afford having a child or a family. They played upon your weaknesses and insecurities, and they're still doing it. It's not a new game. Pump and dumps have existed on Wall Street for as long as Wall Street has existed. And this isn't just a theory. Go take a look at some of these quotes. They openly talked amongst themselves about robbing these effing idiots. These effing idiots were people who wanted to make money to buy their first house, to pay off their student loans, hell, to afford groceries in this economy. And they preyed upon your insecurities. They preyed upon your weaknesses. They preyed upon the fact that they know that you wanted to feel like a whale. You wanted to feel important. You wanted to feel that you were good enough. And they profited from it. They use you for what is called exit liquidity. And this is one of the most important words that you will ever learn on Wall Street. You were their exit liquidity. You were their way out of their stock positions. Liquidity is another fancy word for money. And it was your money that got them out of those positions. So they would buy that stock at 3 cents a share, hype it up until you were ready to pay 15 cents a share and then dump it on you. And then once all those shares were gone, they stopped promoting it and that stock went down to zero and you were left holding the bag and they could give two damns about you. You think this is an isolated incident? It's not. More and more influencers are doing this crap all the time. When that influencer tweets, "Buy now," don't miss your opportunity, he isn't trying to make you rich. He's trying to use you for your money so he can get out of his position. He needs that price to be pumped up so he can sell those shares to you. But because he hyped the price, you paid 5, 10, 30, 40, 50 times what it's worth. By buying penny stocks and listening to these idiots, you're not beating the street. You're not sticking it to a rigged system. You're the host that the mosquitoes are sucking blood from. And the second they finish dumping their stocks, the second they finish sucking out your blood, they're on to the next victim. You're done. You're penniless. They no longer have any use for you. They do not deserve your loyalty. They do not deserve your following. They do not deserve your clicks. And they sure as hell don't deserve your money. So these 22-year-old influencers are absolutely worthless. They are a pack of lying dogs just trying to take your money. If you want explosive growth, if you want real growth, you don't track a 22-year-old so-called guru on Discord. You track the actions of the CEOs and the insiders who actually run the company.
Brilliant.
You want the real legal cheat code? Let's talk about the legal insiders and how we know what they're trading. You see, when a CEO or a CFO or another insider in a company buys or sells any of his shares in that company, he's got to report it within 48 hours. It's the law. Now let's think about this logically first. A CEO will sell their shares for really any reason. It doesn't necessarily mean the stock's going to hell. They could be getting a divorce. They could be wanting to buy that next yacht, whatever. But when a CEO takes his hard-earned money, takes that precious cash of his, and puts it into a stock in their own company, well, that tells you something. That tells you that CEO knows something's about to pop, that there's going to be an earnings beat, or there's going to be some other big government contract coming in. Them buying their own stock en masse is your sign to buy along with them, and it is completely legal. Instead of buying garbage penny stocks, I want you to ride the coattails of the CEOs who are actually buying their own stock. And one way to look at this is through a free database called openinsider.com. Now, before anyone gets on me for glazing Open Insider, I am not a shareholder. I have nothing to do with them. They are not a sponsor. They are not an affiliate. It is just a free website that looks like it was put together in 1998, but it gives you incredibly important information about who's buying these stocks on the inside. They have a great filter that looks for something called cluster buys, and that's where you want to put your money. Cluster buying is when you see a CEO, a CFO, maybe some board members all buying the same time. That tells you that something big's about to happen in that company, and it's probably going to be good for the company. That tells you that there's going to be an earnings beat. It tells you that there's going to be a huge government contract coming up. It tells you that there's going to be some reason for you to own that company because all of these greedy bastards are putting their money into the company. Get a taste of it. This is where you can beat the rigged system. Stop being the exit liquidity for scammers. Put your money where the smart money is flowing. This is how you stop playing the lottery with stocks and start getting rich smart. Seeking out those cluster buys is a true way to get asymmetric upside. It's a hell of a lot better than parking your capital with some 22-year-old who's only hyping up the stock because he's holding on to it and he wants to use you as his exit liquidity.
Smells like bullshit.
Ask yourself this. Is it smarter to put your money with the insiders who are also putting their money on that same stock? The people who know what the earnings are going to be? The people who know when a big contract's coming? Or is it smarter to put your money where some 22-year-old influencer who has no idea what the hell a company does is putting their money, allegedly? I'll tell you right now, I'd much rather be with that insider. I have a much better chance of not losing my ass. And that, my friends, is how you stop playing the lottery and you start getting rich smart. If you are sick and tired of the influencer garbage and you are ready to actually learn the cheat codes that the elites are using, well, like and subscribe this channel, and we are going to walk through every single cheat code until you got enough money to buy that first house. My name is Rob, and I will see you next time on the Hostile Takeover.